Hi Douglas Fir, it's Allie with our sound of the week. This week the letter is K. The sound is K. Let's see what starts with the sound K. Kiss. Kiss starts with a K. What else? Koala bear. Koala starts with K. Key. Key starts with the sound K. Now let's practice tracing its form. Get your writing fingers, start at the baseline, front loop, straight down, back up that same line, small touch in and out. K. How will you practice writing a K? With the chalk on some sidewalk, with your fingers, across over top of the chalk, or in the sand writing box? On some lined paper, writing a small K. For a capital K, start on the top and do a small loop. Go all the way down to the baseline, lift up, start back at the top, then come to the middle, touch, do a small loop, down and out. K. What can we think of to do that starts with K? I know, kick. You can kick a soccer ball as hard as you can. You can kick by yourself against a wall. Or maybe you have a brother, sister, or parent that you can kick the soccer ball with back and forth. Do you have a ball that you can kick? Or what else could you kick or think of to do that starts with K? I think I want to try making a K. I have made some salt dough, but you could use clay or Play-Doh or maybe some thick mud. I'm gonna roll out my salt dough. I have a little flour on my table just to help it not to stick. Roll it out. I want it to be long and thin, but not too thin that it will break. Let's see if I can get it even here. Roll it out maybe a little longer. Okay, let's see. How do we make a K? We start at the baseline. We go forward. Then it loops back around, comes down all the way to the bottom, and then back up that same line before making a little curve out and touching in. Oh, it's not quite long enough. Let me see if I can fix it. Stretch it out. What do you think? Does that look like a cursive K? I wonder what yours will look like or what you'll use. Maybe you want to make your own salt dough. I can show you how. You just need 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and cold water. You'll also need a bowl to mix, a 1 cup measuring cup, and a 1/2 cup measuring cup. First, we need 1 cup of flour. Get a whole scoop, not too much. Okay, mix that in our bowl. Now we need a 1/2 cup of sea salt, or salt. Any kind of salt is fine, table salt. A little bit more to fill it up. Okay, put that in. Now we need a 1/2 cup of cold water. I had a little ice cubes in here just to make sure. Let's see. Okay, pour that in. That's all the ingredients. Now we just need to use our hands to mix it up. Or you can start with a spoon if you like to get it initially mixed up, but then you need to start mixing it with your hands and kneading it, squeezing the dough together and using your knuckles to kind of push it down. After about 10 minutes of kneading it, you will leave your salt dough to rest and sit for 20 minutes, and then it's ready to go. You can roll it out to make the letter K, or maybe you want to make something else, like a kangaroo. You could even bake it in the oven at a low temperature to keep whatever you make with salt dough. Have fun!